JavaFX for modern UI. JavaFX represents a cutting-edge technology in the realm of modern UI development. This powerful framework has gained popularity among developers due to its versatility, ease of use, and ability to create stunning user interfaces for software applications. What is JavaFX and why choose it for modern UI development? JavaFX is a software platform for creating and delivering rich internet applications that can run across a wide variety of devices. JavaFX, developers can leverage the power of Java technology to build responsive UI designs that are visually appealing and dynamic. Key benefits of using JavaFX for modern UI development include highly customizable GUI components. JavaFX offers a wide range of pre-built controls and layouts that can be easily customized to suit the specific needs of an application. Rich animation capabilities. JavaFX provides built-in support for CSS animations, allowing developers to create fluid and engaging user interfaces. JavaFX libraries offer a wealth of resources for developers, including JavaFX controls, a collection of standard UI controls such as buttons, text fields, and sliders that can be easily integrated into applications. JavaFX API, a comprehensive set of APIs that provide access to the underlying functionality of JavaFX, allowing developers to create custom UI components and behaviors. Conclusion. In conclusion, JavaFX is a versatile and powerful framework for modern UI development, offering a wide range of features and tools to create visually stunning and responsive user interfaces. Web applications or desktop applications, JavaFX is the go-to choice for creating modern UI designs that stand out from the crowd.